Hey, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I guess you all can see the screen. Our previous classes. So today we'll log into the Google Ads account, right? So you all can sign up for the Google Ads account at ads.google.com, right? So we already have some accounts. So I'll just go to one of our ads accounts. Yeah. So this will be the overview of your accounts. This will be the overview of your account. Basically, it shows you. Maybe I'll take some other account to help you understand with the data. Yeah, this is how you will see the total number of impressions, clicks achieved, the CTR, and the cost. So 17K was spent in the last. Yeah, this month it's only 17,000 rupees and 375 clicks, and you can change this to maybe conversions. Yeah, 22 conversions. Conversions are nothing but leads here in service businesses. If it is an e-commerce business where payments are happening directly on the website, so those will be conversions indicates payments, right? So and this interface is basically helping you to understand, giving a top level view of your complete account, what's happening with your Google Ads, right? You could also see age wise or gender wise how many impressions, how many clicks you are getting, right? Male 1191 impressions. Yeah, this is, you can change it to clicks also if you want. Yeah, 183 clicks, 84 clicks from female. Gender and age breakdown. Gender and age. Only age. 18 to 24, majority of the clicks are coming from. Right, and these are the active campaigns currently on your account and performance by device types. Right, we will be learning all of these details in depth. I just wanted to explain about this top level interface of the dashboard that you see here. Right, so total number of conversions and total number of interactions, that's clicks. So this is yeah, you see here 375 are the interactions. So they are also giving you a preview. This is how your ad looks like. VLSI number one, VLSI Training Institute, 100% placement guarantee, 2024 updated curriculum. It should be 2025. Okay. You have got a 14% CTR. That's very good CTR. About 10% is very good CTR. And here you can also see for what keywords your ads were triggered. Best VLSI Training Institute in Hyderabad. Do you see that? Maven Silicon Hyderabad, VLSI courses, VLSI design course, VLSI course in Bangalore. Right. At the very top level, you can get a quick glimpse of everything related to your account. Yeah. Okay. And you also have a video, and there is no data related to video. It is showing not eligible. The campaign is paused. Right. So there is one video campaign as well, but as of now, it is paused and there is no data related to it since it's paused. Yeah. Summary of how your keywords are performing. This keyword has consumed 5,000 rupees and has got 101 clicks and CTR of 15.76 percentage. Different keywords. They're also suggesting certain things, asking to launch a campaign, performance max. We'll understand each of these things, what all they are. Okay. So first thing, if you want to show your ad on Google like this, yeah, like this or like this, you will have to launch a search campaign for these types of campaigns. So to launch that, what we will be doing is I will go back to another account. I'll be launching it over there. Okay, I'll come here. Yeah. Okay. So to launch any campaign, you have to go to the campaigns list here, and you will have to click on this plus button, right? So, and I'm launching it here. Are you all following it, everyone? Yeah. See, look at this. Choose your objective. What is your objective? Sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness and consideration, local store visits. Create a campaign without a goal audience. See, all of this mean the same, more or less. It's basically you are giving some uh, data about you. You are basically, see, they are trying to understand your weakness, right? Of course, everybody will say, I'm looking for sales and leads, correct? That's the first thing that you would go with, correct? So, but what happens is when you pick these two options, one of these options, so your campaign settings, it will ask you to bid on cost CPA. Yeah, CPA is cost per acquisition. Cost per acquisition. So cost per acquisition, what happens is straight away they are getting into a negotiation with you. How much are you willing to pay for a lead? How much are you willing to pay for a lead? Right? You might say I am willing to pay 1,000 rupees per lead. Then they will say at 1,000 rupees you will not get any lead or it is very less. Increase it to 1,500 rupees or 2,000 rupees. Right? Now they will start getting you the leads at 2,000 rupees. So you must be questioning now what is wrong here. It is saying 2,000 rupees you will get a lead, and hence we are also inputting 2,000 rupees. What is the problem here? Correct? It doesn't work that way. So let's take this scenario, website traffic. Each click is costing you 50 rupees. Each click is costing you 50 rupees. Let's assume each click is costing you 50 rupees. And to get 100 clicks, how much have you spent? 5,000 rupees. So you have spent 5,000 rupees to get 100 people. Out of this 100 clicks, if you are getting 10 leads, how much is the cost per lead? 500 rupees, correct? Now, Google denied getting you lead at 1,000 rupees and told, well, I'll get you only at 1,500 rupees. So you simply kept it at 1,500 rupees. Straight away you got into do I'll pay 1,500 rupees. And somehow Google is getting a lead for you, tries to get a lead for you at 1,500 rupees. But in this scenario, if you can execute the campaign very well, there are chances that you can get a lead at just 500 rupees also. Correct? Did you all understand this? Srivali, can you explain what did I tell? Hmm? Then why are you keeping quiet? You can ask, right? I'm asking, did you all get? And everybody are nodding your head. Amolya, did you get it? Okay, let me try doing it here itself. Okay, I have selected the goal as leads.
Can you do it on my resume?
We'll do it now. It won't be possible. You give access after this class. Tomorrow we'll do.
I'll do it today only.
Yeah. Okay. So now look at this. So when you say that I want leads or traffic, next thing is you'll have to select. I'll explain this while I am running while I launch the campaigns. Okay, I have explained it already, but when I show it to you and explain, you will get an idea. So my suggestion is always pick website traffic. Always pick website traffic because sales and leads, you know how to get sales and leads. See, they are not going door to door and selling your product or service. They get traffic only. They are just trying to play with your weakness. Earlier, it was only uh, search campaign and display. That's all. The traffic and impression campaigns. That's all. The objectives. We did not had all of these things. They are just playing a gimmick here. Yeah. Now, if you are looking for push campaigns, if you are looking for push campaigns, always go with this search. See now, Google has Google is not see now 200 people want to show ads here, or at least 20 people wants to show ad here. But anytime Google can maximum show only 4 companies results here in the top in the ads. What happens with the remaining 16?
There'll be next page.
Next page, who will click to the next page? They'll basically Google is losing the business from the 16 other people. See, you have only two buns with you, but 20 people want this buns. What will you do?
We'll split your 2 into 20 people.
You are not splitting that bun. You will be selling it only two people, and you lost 18 customers. Correct?
Okay.
Now, if you have to get business from these 18 customers, you will have to produce more buns. Clear? So now same thing Google is doing here. See, Google has only 4 slots here in the top. Google has only 4 slots here in the top, right? One, and but here at this moment it's not showing, not even the 4. Maybe digital marketing. Okay, so based on my browsing history or from the computer or from the internet, I usually don't click on ads. That's why maybe I'll take not beyond 4. Correct? But 20 people are competing. So if it is showing anytime only 4 businesses, it might show randomized whatever it is, but it is losing money from the remaining 16 other players. Correct? All of you, this point is clear?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So now when you have only 2 buns and there are 20 people waiting for it, anyways you can give it to only 2. Correct? From remaining 18 people you did not make any revenue, any money. Correct? If you have to make money from the remaining 18 people also, you will have to produce more. Correct? Same way now what Google does is, Google cannot build another Google, right? So hence what Google has done is, Google has another platforms, that is their display network. They can show ads on websites, various websites. Even IRCTC, ads can be shown on IRCTC pertaining to your business. So for that, IRCTC has to register under the Google AdSense. IRCTC. Nobody knows IRCTC?
It's a ticketing app. Indian Railway.
Indian Railway. Are you in
Indian
India?
Railway Catering Tourism Corporation.
Nobody is in India, madam, except you.
That I know, but I thought it is something.
IRCTC, full I told IRCTC website.
Okay. I got it.
How many of you here know AdSense?
AdSense.
Sense. Not nonsense, AdSense. So, see now, if you own a website, you can monetize. You all know YouTube AdSense? YouTube monetization? YouTube monetization?
Yes.
YouTube monetization came in the recent times. Even before that, that is website monetization was there, which is called as AdSense. So for that, what you have to do is, AdSense is not the name, it's just a monetization. AdSense is the platform which will allow website owners to register on AdSense. So basically by registering on AdSense, website owners are telling, I am ready to serve ads. Correct? So now let's say all of you own a website, all of you are partners, all of you own a website called kandradigital.com, right? And you're getting 1 million users every day to this website. How do you monetize this now? You can go meet the shop owners, businesses, Flipkart, Amazon, everybody meet and tell them, I will show ads of your business, pay me 10,000 rupees every month or 50,000 rupees every month. Right? But practically that's not feasible, you going and approaching everybody and telling that I will show your business, you pay me. Is it possible? It's quite hectic, right? And to handle this, Google has built an intermediate. Google has become an intermediate person and they have built an intermediate platform called Google AdSense. Same way, if Amazon has to show ads on IRCTC, can Amazon go and approach IRCTC, I'll show ads on your website? It's quite difficult for business as well, right? So now, this AdSense is connecting publishers and advertisers. So who is publisher here? Kandra Digital is publisher, advertiser is Amazon. Got it? So now it is connecting advertisers and publishers. This platform. So now, as a publisher, you will tell to Google, I want to show ads of various other businesses, but I'm not able to approach anybody, so I will register here. You take that headache. So Google says, don't worry, I know so many bakras, I know so many people. I will show ads of all of this on your website, and I will charge them nicely. I'll charge them nicely, and I'll send it to your bank account. Even before sending it to a bank account, I made this intermediate broker work, right? So I will charge the brokerage, right? So Google charges brokerage commission. So per click, if somebody is clicking on this ad, siliconindia.com. This website has registered through AdSense. So when they sign up an account on AdSense, they are telling to Google, I am ready to serve ads of various businesses. I am giving all this inventory to you. You go do whatever you want and show ads of any businesses of your choice. Right? Right, now look at this. Google, it's loading. Once again, please.
Silicon India. So now Silicon India, Google is displaying ad of that sky scanner, right?
Correct.
Now.
Correct.
So this Google will now pay to Silicon India.
Yes. So basically what is doing is Silicon India. Silicon India is giving this slot, all the slots to Google. Now Google is showing ads here. Right? Now look at this. I am clicking on this ad. So what's happening is Google is charging makeitingermany.com company to 5 rupees. Google has charged for this click. Google has charged. If I'm clicking on Skyscanner, Google will charge again this Skyscanner also to Silicon India's bank account. And all of this will be handled through a platform called AdSense. So AdSense is a platform given to publisher, and AdWords is a platform given to advertiser. Advertiser uses this platform to display an ad like this.
AdWord or AdWord?
AdWords, Google Ads or Google AdWords. AdWords. So AdWords is a platform used by advertiser to show his ad on various places on the internet. And AdSense is a platform given to the website owners who are willing to accept the ads on their portal. Clear? Clear? Can you explain?
Google takes the slots from the who wants to advertise.
Once again, please be clear. Louder. Your Google.
Google takes the slots from who wants to advertise and
Not who wants to advertise. Flipkart wants to advertise. Google takes slots from Flipkart only. Skyscanner want to advertise. Google takes slots from Skyscanner only. Can anybody explain me what did we discuss now?
Google play as a middleman
Okay.
between the website owner and if someone wants to advertise their thing in the website. And then AdSense is for the website owners, like for advertisement, and our AdWord is for the advertisers, like who wants to advertise.
AdSense is for publishers.
Publishers, website publishers. And AdWord is for the website, like advertisers.
Advertisers who want to run the ads. Clear? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Right? So now Google not only has inventory of the search inventory. This is their search engine. Google is not only selling ads on this place. Google is selling ads on various other places. Correct? You see here? Right? So now since everybody are competing to show ads on Google, but it can show maximum 4 businesses ads at a time. It is losing 16 other businesses, right? So it don't want to lose that 16 other businesses, revenue coming from the 16 other companies or businesses. So what Google does, Google's main goal or agenda is to keep pushing to serve these kinds of display ads. Google will now start suggesting advertisers run display ads, run these kinds of ads, run ads on YouTube. Now YouTube is another inventory, correct? YouTube is another inventory. So this is not the only inventory they have got. This inventory, that's why this inventory is expensive. If you want to show ads here, it's going to be very expensive compared to showing ads like this. These ads will be cheaper.
How much should it be cheaper in this sense?
You have to launch a campaign based on the industry, it varies. There will be a drastic difference. So if Google is charging 50 rupees or 100 rupees here it might charge 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 1 rupee.
What is called as
Display ads, and this is a shopping ad. Okay, this is on the display network. Right, ads on the YouTube also will be less expensive. See, you went to a gold store, correct, jewelry shop to buy a gold, not to buy iron, correct? Just because iron is cheaper, you will buy iron and make ornaments out of it and use iron ornaments, right? So running ads on these kinds of platforms is something like this, and many people don't understand, and this is where a lot of people commit mistakes while launching the campaigns. Now look at this. We are clearly telling we want to run a search campaign. Now look at this. Google keeps, no, see, this is the first performance maximum. Look at the temptive name, performance max. People like you think, okay, performance max, we will get to see a maximum performance, right? Look at the name, demand generation, and display fine, shopping and video is fine, shopping is fine, display is fine, demand generation and performance maximum. Are these names not tempting for business owners? Everybody?
So, as a new campaign, what should be our objective, sir? Like search?
Not as a new
performance?
or old campaign. As a business, what should be your objective? As a business, your objective should be running push campaigns. Correct? Running push campaigns. I want to show ads only to the people who are desperately looking for your product, and that happens only on the Google. Correct? Now,
Correct.
I am on this website. Am I looking for the skyscraper? Why are they showing ads of flights to me? I don't want to go anywhere, and they are showing green jobs in Germany. Jobs
So,
in
but
Germany.
every time it is changing, no? So, last time it was Skyscanner, now it is jobs in Germany.
Jobs in Germany was, yeah, it changes. It's not that it will be serving you the same. There are so many advertisers, right? Millions of advertisers are still displaying ads here.
Silicon India is my old friend. It is in Bangalore old. Not Bangalore. Winterland.
That Campo Town.
No, that Winterland road entrance.
I know Silicon. I know. I have contacts with Silicon.
Whom Satish? I have a contact with Satish.
Dev Prasad.
I'm IT.
Okay. So now you all got it right. This inventory, this all ads also will keep changing, because if it is showing always the same ad, Skyscanner, I'm not clicking on Skyscanner, and Google will not get now any revenue. Correct? So now Google shows something else. Google might probably show, okay, your wedding anniversary is coming. Buy a nice jewelry for your wife. Correct? It keeps showing different ads, but it doesn't know that whether I will. That's my decision. Correct? So it might pitch anything to me. Correct? A new movie has released. Go and watch. See, yeah, it's not really dumb though. See, these platforms are also useful when you want to educate people about the product or service. In those cases, these campaigns will be effective, right? If you're looking for only direct leads or sales, then always go with the search campaigns. Clear, right? Up to here, everybody, right? So now you understand search campaign. Search is the only one which is a push campaign here. Clear? And shopping is also a push campaign. Shopping is push campaign. Search is push campaign. Now look at this Google, what it does. Let me continue and see what happens. Yeah, campaign name I will write as February 25 test campaign. February. So if you are running this campaign for digital marketing services, maybe you can write it as SEO training. I am running a campaign for SEO training, and this is a search, and I am searching and targeting Bangalore. So I will name it as Bangalore, something like this. Okay, and I'm also launching this campaign in 2025, so I will call it as, it's for your Naming, that's all. That's a name. That's just the name. This is not keyword for your reference. Instead of giving one, how will you identify? Correct. So you give a nice name that helps you to understand what is that campaign about. Yeah. Start new. Yeah. So look at this. What do you want to focus on? Again, conversions. See now, I mentioned to you all inventory. They have got less inventory, right? So they somehow try showing you everywhere here and there, and they want to make money from you, right? So I will clearly mention. See, if I'm taking conversions or conversion value, they will suggest me to take to tell me how much I want to bid. See, set a target cost per acquisition. See, look at this. Set a target cost per acquisition, optional. But if you want to set, you can set it. So if I set 50 rupees, let's see, you'll not get anything out of it. So basically, I don't want to go with conversions also. I'll explain you when I take a different campaign. So just go with the clicks, right? Customer acquisition, here it's an additional option. Bid for new customers only. Your campaign will be limited to only new customers regardless of your bid strategy. See, you must have seen sometimes when you click on an ad, again when you go and try looking for it or search for it, that ad doesn't appear for you. That's because of this setting. I am bidding or showing, I'm preferring to show ads only to the people who haven't visited my website earlier. Clear? That's why after once you interact with that ad or with that website, you will not see the ad pertaining to that business again in some cases. Clear? Right? So if you don't want to show to past customers or not customers, people who have interacted in the past with your ad are like past visits. So I'll not do anything with it. I'll just click on the next.
So
Yeah.
in that case, whether your CTR or what you say ROI, anything is impacted with that?
No. It will not impact. CTR will not impact. Just that if your business is such that if people have gone through your business once already and they are very clear that I don't want to make any sale or business with you again, if you are showing ad, it's just waste of money.
Okay, so that's what it will not be expensive or something like that. Just
It's same thing. It's same
Google
thing.
is going
Earlier
to
it must have costed you 50 rupees per click, and now also it will cost you 50 rupees per click. It can be either way. When you are showing the ad again for the person said just because they have seen it again, they might end up buying from you. Or if they had already explored your website yesterday or day before yesterday, again now they are seeing the same. Now they prefer to explore your competitor. How much price are they bidding? Or how much price the product is, correct? Service fee, whatever it is, right?
okay.
Yeah. So now look at this. Google is again trying to sell their display inventory. If you observe it here, see by default they have already checked it. See, shamelessly, I have clearly selected search campaign. See how desperate they are. And moreover, they have put it in the brackets recommended. For what better recommended? And look at this, what they must have written. Ads can appear on relevant site, videos, and apps across Google, like YouTube and the internet when you have leftover search budget. Just because you have money, instead of spending it on your kids, you will spend on the complete world. Instead of spending only with your family, you will just because you have more money, you will keep spending for everybody, everywhere, everything. See what are they writing? But fact is, instead of spending the leftover money, they spend everything here only. They spend everything on display only. Such a global popular company is doing this shit. See, they are desperate making more and more revenues, that's all. And many digital marketers don't understand. They see recommended and they just go with it. And even ads can appear near Google search results and on the other Google search partners. You would remove this also. Earlier it was showing you three options. One is Google search and Google search partner networks and Google display network. You remove both of them. Now when they were showing three options, one of them was they were clearly explaining I will show ads here. I will show ads here on Google search. One of the name was Google search. Second name was Google search partners or networks, which includes Google Maps, Google Play Store, and couple of other Google
YouTube.
properties. Yes, couple of other. So now ads can appear near Google search results and on other Google search partners websites when people search, as well as YouTube and other Google sites. See, and two attempts are made again here. It's not even one. Earlier there were three boxes. One was by default, it was showing it will be checked. Now when they keep only two, you think you have to retain at least one of them, correct? Look at this, how smartly they are playing. Right? You have to be much smarter than them, so just eliminate both of them. Clear? And now you can target. So I want to show ads only in Bangalore. So click Bangalore. Right? So Bangalore population, do you all know what is the population of Bangalore? Around a crore plus or minus 20-30 lakhs. How is it 3 crore? You see here. As of 2024, the population of Bangalore 1.4 million. I told you, right? 20-30 lakhs here and there. It's 40 lakhs actually. 1 crore 40 lakhs. Then how did it come to 3.3 crores?
Only people who are using it.
I think that is only the people who resides in Bangalore. This added who come in, they travel during
They just want to make the number high so that it matches.
So this includes people interested in Bangalore as well, not the population of the Bangalore. So you are sitting in Ballari and searching hotels in Bangalore, digital marketing training in Bangalore. Correct? Okay, this is also, but anyways, this is also misleading, but still fine. Yeah. So now you will have that control. Do you want to show ads for anybody interested? See, now somebody is sitting in Pakistan and searching SEO training in Bangalore. What does this mean? Do they really want to take SEO training in Bangalore? Definitely not, considering their currency value. Correct? Indian's currency is twice or thrice of Pakistan's currency. Correct? Right? So if still people are searching SEO training in Bangalore, that's research-based query. Correct? You will definitely lose money showing ads for such queries as well. So now you can control that as well. See, presence or interest, people in, regularly in, or who have shown interest in your included locations. And now the stupid is showing again recommended. See, it's so misleading. Is it not? Presence, people in or regularly in the included locations. Go with this option. See, and now such a big scam, they are hiding it. As if that's of no big use. Did you all get that what I'm trying to explain? Clear? Everybody about the target location? So advanced search, you can add a radius. You can say HSR layout and 5 kilometers around HSR, 20 miles around HSR, 20 kilometer, or instead of 20 you can say 5, 5 kilometers around HSR. Yeah, 5 kilometers around HSR. Got it? So I can change my targeting to that level also, or complete Bangalore. So if you are online business, complete Bangalore is fine. But if you are local business, right, digital marketing is usually people prefer to opt from the nearby places, saloons, beauty parlors, restaurants, pubs, all nearby only. You cannot show complete Bangalore and expect people from South Bangalore or North Bangalore to South to North to travel. Correct? Right? So in those cases, you go with advanced search and target precisely your location and surrounding 3 kilometers or 2 kilometers, whatsoever is you think people will come. Yeah, right.
What
And
happens in advanced search?
that is what I showed you now. I showed in advance, so that is what I showed you.
This is okay. This is cropping.
Yeah, yeah. This is
Okay.
okay.
This is only advanced.
Yes. Yeah. And location options, it's hidden. Open it and put people in or regularly included location, especially if you are a local business. See, if you don't mind anybody from any place is fine, then you just go with above and also no big deal, right? So now coming to this, what should be selected here? Anybody?
Select the language. I think we should.
Basically,
All languages?
All language. I think it depends on the business. It depends on.
Okay, tell me for Foxy, what should you select?
No, I will limit any.
Why?
Any language. Why? Because all the people, all language people, they come in.
By default, only English is selected here.
English, if I select only, I get a class people who speaks English. That's it. So if you unselect the language, I get all kind of.
This is not the language
no
people.
English will only there to read. Everybody want to read English, right? So advertisement will come in English only.
No, what type?
So do not use this option if you are running a search campaign, right? And moreover, what this mean especially, see in India, country like in India, it's all English queries. Correct? Queries are happening in English. See, people search in Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil also, right? But majorly your ad copies are in English and people search in English, right?
No, actually, what we see being in Bangalore and America, so people they see in the Kannada only. Majorly, they have that in Kannada only. So it's better to not to select the language. What I feel.
Okay, let me explain how this works. Okay, select the language your customer speaks. Usually, this is selected when based on the queries that are used or searched. Queries in India happen in only English. So by default, you leave it to English. Do not select any language. This is not about actually, this is misleading text too. This is not actually about language targeting, allows you to restrict where your ads can appear based on the user's language settings and the language of the site. See, on the computers, people must have set the language as English. Your ad will not appear when you select Chinese. But they are querying in English only. The keyword is in English only. So, for countries like this option is very much useful for countries like France, Spain, Germany, where the queries happen in their respective languages, and the ads also will be showed in their respective languages, right? So do not pick this option to anything by default. Always leave it to English, right? And should you be doing anything with this audience segment? Select audience segments to add to your campaign. You see here,
What kind of audience you're targeting?
right? See, all these are useful when you are running display campaign. Now, I don't get into any of these things. For me, anybody who is using SEO Training Institute is a customer, correct? Is a relevant audience. So do not select any of these things. So when you are running a search campaign, clear everybody? Right? So you can allow Google to help you generate headline and description assets for your ads using your content from your landing page, domain and ads. Google will provide. So this is basically Google will create the ad copy for you. Right? I'm not going to on it as of now because I want to show how to create the ad copies. Right? Yeah. There is more settings. Just see what it is about. Ad rotation. Optimize preferred best performing ads. You can turn it on or turn it off. So what happens is you will be inputting multiple ads. See, in SEO you are writing only one title and one description, right? For a page, everybody. In SEO you write only one title and one description, correct? But here you will be writing multiple titles and multiple descriptions, and Google can serve your titles and descriptions ads on a rotational basis. Whichever ad is performing well, it shows more that ad, right? And you can turn it off or turn it on as per your requirements, right? So you can schedule the ad, you can set the start date and end date. You can schedule the ad. I want ads to be run between 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yeah, you can run only between 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. or I want to run my ads only after 2 p.m. between 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can schedule it at what time and what dates, what days of the week your ads have to be. So for now, since these are search campaigns, I will keep it on all the days. This is not a reach campaign. This is not a display campaign. This is not an awareness campaign, right? So if people are searching on Google, let it run. Brands limiting brands list. Yeah, your ads won't show on searches that mention selected brands or related products and services. If you exclude and include the same brand, only the exclusion will work. Okay. So I can exclude my competitor names here. So the ads will not show up when the competitor related keywords are showing up.
I didn't get this.
So you are Flipkart, and when somebody searches Amazon shoes, you don't want to show ad. When Amazon term is there, your ad will not appear.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would be our loss, no?
Why your loss?
If
Are you sure? See, when people are searching for you are a Flipkart, people are searching explicitly Amazon buy shoes on Amazon. See, your ad can trigger, though you are Flipkart, when you are bidding on a keyword like buy shoes, your ad can trigger for buy shoes on Amazon also. Since user is explicitly looking for Amazon or Myntra, they even after clicking on your ad, they will realize that I am on Flipkart and they will come back. Correct? It's waste of money, right? Can be waste of money, or people can explore. People can see, okay, so the collection is very good, and they might make the purchase or sale also. So based on the data, you are going to make the decision whether you should be bidding on the competitor keywords or not. Yeah. Okay. So click on next. Yeah. So now keyword and asset generation get help creating your ad. So keywords first. I'll skip this. We'll do that later. Keyword, we will input the keyword. Yeah. So ad group, you can give a name to this ad group of your choice. Okay. So my ad group is, I will name it as, I'm going to speak about mm, I'm targeting all local searches. Okay. So I might give some name of my choice. Right. And what is the landing page? So I want to send people to this page. Yeah, I want to send people to this page. Are you all getting it, everybody?
We want to copy the URL.
Yes. So when somebody clicks on your ad, you have to send them to your website, right? Where do you want to send to them on the website? About us, contact us. Since it is about SEO training, we'll prefer to show them the respective page, right? So I have put the keywords local searches. So I will go with local keywords like this SEO training institute. What does this mean now? The keyword, what type of keyword is this?
Search. If they search about SEO training institute.
Types of keywords. What type of keywords? What type of match type it is? Yesterday we discussed, right? Huh? What type of keyword is this?
This is that double.
Huh? Huh? Seriously? Huh? What match type are they? Match type. Match type. Match type. Yesterday we discussed, right? Srivalli. Yesterday you attended the class. I'm not going to tell it to you now.
No, that we marked that double mark.
Yes, now also I marked double mark only. What type of match type it is?
That is
Online join is what type of match type it is?
Phrase.
that increases the results.
Seriously? Phrase match?
Exact. It's an exact, sir. Exact.
See, I'm wondering, none of your confidence, these are phrase matches. No, no, tell me first title. See, I'm testing your confidence. See, you're not clear. These are phrase matches.
Phrase matches.
Mentioning, see, Rajni ma'am, you also, so I said seriously and you said, no, 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 it's exact. And Amulya is telling, Amulya and Srivalli had a deep group discussion and they concluded it as a broad match.
Sir, you confused me, sir, because yesterday
You
only you
should
taught us
not
that
get
with that
confused. Yesterday it was very clear. Yesterday it was not very clear.
in the bracket you said it was
Madam,
exam.
what is 2 into 2?
Sir, please.
What is 2 into 2?
I will not say 5 now.
2 into 2 you will say 4. Just because I give a odd expression you are not going to say no, 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 it's 5, right? See, you should be, see, you are 1000% confident 2 into 2 is 4 and there is no such confidence with match types. And Amulya is learning this twice, thrice. See, she's again telling I first told phrase, correct. Why did not you stick to it? Why you did not stick to it?
Me?
No, you, not you. Amulya. Because you did not tell first I told, you are simply accepting the thing. Amulya is telling that first she told phrase and I confused her. Not confused. She is not confident. She is not clear.
Sir, I got confused with the bracket and the inverted commas.
Okay,
that.
fine. Your confusion is fine. Amulya is a double degree. Amulya is learning it from 2 different institutes. Okay?
That's
Cool.
Yes,
So
sir.
now you are bidding on 3 keywords. Will your ad show for 3 keywords or multiple keywords?
multiple keywords.
What kind of keywords can you give some examples, all of you?
Training near me.
SEO training? No.
Near me. It is
No.
SEO training near me.
SEO training near me? No.
SEO training online.
No.
training offline.
No.
So we'll go with keyword planner and then see wherever there is a high.
No. Forget about that keyword planner. Can you tell me what kind of keywords will be triggered with these 3 input keywords? You have inputted 3 keywords, right? Now, what kind of keywords will be triggered for these 3 inputs?
Meaning?
SEO training? Huh? SEO training, best institute? No.
SEO training institute near me.
Yes. Why not SEO training, best institute?
Because you have not put that word there.
See, yesterday clearly I told phrase match expects this all to be together. SEO institute near me, it can show. SEO training institute near me. SEO best SEO course near me. For this keyword also your ad will show. The top SEO course near me. For this keyword also your ad will show. Like this, if you all can observe, it is expected this term has to be compulsorily there. Before and after anything can come. Same, this term, before and after something can come and it shows ads for all of them. Now if you expect to show ad for SEO training online, SEO training India, SEO training Bangalore, for all such keywords, you just input a keyword like SEO training. So now in this case, you don't have to put this keyword because SEO training takes care of triggering for SEO training institute as well. Are you all getting it?
Yes,
Same
yes.
happens with this as well, SEO course.
Course.
So now I can remove this, right? So
So
not
what
only,
should be the objective? Should we insert more keywords or minimum keywords here?
you can insert more keywords, but you have to make sure that there is no conflict with the keywords. The conflict with the keywords is SEO training is already included, and you don't have to include again best SEO training or SEO training online. When you include keywords where the keyword that you have included again is already triggered by some other keyword, then that's a conflict,
Okay.
right? Just make sure that you're not landing up into any kind of conflict.
So SEO course you have made it, right?
Yeah,
If I make it as SEO crash course, is it a different keyword or it's the same keyword?
it can be considered to be as a
SEO
difference.
offline course, offline.
Yeah. So now these three keywords. So input these short keywords in the phrase match. Now these keywords will have a potential to trigger for few hundreds of keywords. Trigger your ads for few hundreds of keywords. Clear? And thus takes care of triggering for SEO training institute in Bangalore, SEO training near me, SEO institute near me, SEO institute online, best SEO institute, SEO course near me. Correct? Every possible matches. Add more keywords, show your ads more often to people searching for what your business offers. View. So now see, this is helping you to add more keywords. See, and now this will, if I click on apply, this will apply all of them in the broad match. Google Ads and SEO course, SEO and social media marketing course. I am very clear with my goal or objective. I want to show ads only for SEO, and this is showing social media as well, Google Ads, SEO certification. If I apply, see, all in the broad match. Google wants to fool you in every step for its own advantage, not for your benefits. Now, see, now this straight away added, you will think, okay, Google is God. Google is suggesting this is the best platform or the tool. Let me just go with this. No, these are all in the broad matches, and SEO Institute, moreover, it's already there. SEO learning is not needed. That's okay. You can slowly expand it. You don't have to add all irrelevant keywords, and from day one, you don't have to land into the problem. Clear? Yeah. So coming to the final URL, this is where you want to land people, correct? So hence I am adding it. Now sometimes the URL can be .com/12345, some numbers also, correct? Or it can be anything, right? Regardless of what is there in my URL, if I want to still show after .com something of my choice, I can show like this: SEO training, SEO training, and here I'll show it as institute. See, my actual URL is training slash SEO course slash Bangalore, correct? But what am I showing here? SEO training institute, maybe Bangalore will not fit. Maximum 15 characters. So I'll just put it to institute. Or instead of institute, I can put Bangalore. Right? So this is the display path. When did I chat? It is saying thanks for chatting today.
So that final URL you have mentioned, is that the landing page or the actual website?
Landing page, or that's the actual page on the website also. Any page where users public lands is a landing page.
Okay.
It can be one of the page on your website. It can be a contact us page or your home page. If everybody are landing on your first page of the website or home page of the website, that is called as landing page. Or if you want to build a separate new page, you can build that also, because you are showing different prices for people coming from Google Ads, or you want to show different experience for people coming from Google Ads. That's when you will build a separate page. If it doesn't matter for me, for everybody, if it's the same, don't go with any separate pages. Just use whatever is there on your website. I already have a page for SEO training which is ranking very well on the Google as well. I'll just go with that. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, headlines. You can write multiple headlines, up to 15 headlines, and 5 are compulsory, 4 are compulsory, right? And each headline has to be less than 30 characters, maximum up to 30 characters, right? So I can write SEO best.
So this headline and meta title is same or different?
This is different from what you have put in the meta title. If you are paying me 30,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh as a tuition fee, that doesn't mean you can go to upgrade now and say I have paid a fee. At Canva Digital, I will join your digital marketing course also. SEO title is SEO title. Done. This is a title which is explicitly given for you to play around with and show whatever you want. Got it?
Not. Then where is meta title used then?
Meta title is used here. You see here, it's used on your website. You see here, it is used here on the website. Correct. Right, and it will be there in the website only. And now what you put here, it's used for ads. It's used for ads. Clear?
I'm still confused for meta title and headline.
No, no, no. See, this is not meta title. This is the headline. See now in SEO, it is called as this is called as meta title. But when it comes to ad, it is not called as meta title. It is simply called as headline. When you do the same thing,
Okay. Understood now.
correct?
So only when ad, if you want to do specifically for ad, then it is called an headline.
Correct.
And if you're doing it for website, then it is a meta title.
Yes.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. So best SEO training in Bangalore, and show it any unpinned position recommended. Okay, pin this headline. Okay, so I have pinned this. So what happens is pin this. See now usually whatever I put here, they all keep moving, rotating, right? But when I pin it, fixed. I am fixing this. Do not change this. Always show this compulsorily. In the see now this place is there, right? See Google, this is this and this that you are inputting here. I don't
Got
want
it.
that to be happening. I want it to be fixed. So I have pinned one of the headline here. Right? Best SEO training in Bangalore. Maybe I'll write placement, not placement. Best SEO training.
Actually, I lost this 5 minutes.
We didn't do anything. I just came after this. We started writing the headlines. That's all. So you have inputted the keywords. After keywords, final URL where you want to land people, where you want to send on your website, contact us about us or SEO training. We have inputted that. And
Suppose you're running now, you're making it particularly for SEO, so you're pinning it, right? Suppose you run for digital marketing and you have SEO, you have performance marketing, you have various marketing inside that. So in that case, shouldn't we not pin, right? So according to the search, it is going to show us the display ad.
no, in that case also, you are not going to mention SEO, SEO or not. Digital marketing, only digital marketing. People will not know digital marketing will comprise content marketing, SEO, performance marketing.
I'm just giving an
social media.
example. Like Prashant sir's case, if I put, what do you say, pest control, there are so many things, cockroach, termite, and all those things. So in that case, how? Should we put multiple and pin it?
No, no, no,
one
no,
not
no, no.
pin
Your
it?
focus, see now, no, no, you don't have to pin it. Your focus will be only on the pest control. All those termite, rat, snake, that, this, mosquito, everything you will be using it under the services or products. We haven't completed it. Let's complete what and all ad contains. Then you will get an idea, right?
Okay.
So my suggestion is still focus on the key term used by the public. If public is using pest control, you have a pest control. For cockroach or for termites, you might have a separate campaign or separate ad group. Right? So you will be using the respective names over there. So 300 plus secrets revealed. Right, and then I will write I want to bring in a lot of CTR triggers as well in the ads. You should not as well. Highest rated SEO training. I'll remove training here. Okay, and you can see now you have to be super smart. You should know how to write. So 100% practical training. So it is suggesting me some text based on the page. SEO training and certification.
I see, okay, that we have discussed after this. I see location, shop, visit, and promotion.
That is different type of campaign, I'll tell you. Okay. So I have added multiple headings. So now description you can add up to 90 characters. Right? It is suggesting top rated SEO training institute for practical agency level training. See now this is suggesting based on the text put up on the web page. So I'm lazy to write. I'm just using the same. But you have to be very careful in writing all this text. This text will decide the success CTR of your ad. Right? Consideration from the public to click on your ad and CTR. Right? So we usually work all of these things on the Excel sheets. We don't come here and write. We work all of this on the Excel sheets and then we copy paste or we use something called as AdWords editor. Using AdWords editor tool for your computer, we can launch hundreds of campaigns in one go. AdWords editor. AdWords editor. So maybe you might not need the tool. Yeah. And now have some images pertaining to your add images to your campaign. Images must meet the quality standards of Google Ads, logo overlay, text overlay, GIFs and blurry or poorly cropped images are not allowed. Yeah.
Sir,
Maybe
and
I'll
what
use.
is editor is used for launching
Keywords.
any website?
Now instead of logging into Google Ads here, you can use that tool,
Keywords editor.
not keywords editor, AdWords editor.
AdWords editor.
AdWords editor that is used for keywords.
Launch many advertisements.
Whatever we are doing now, you are doing it from your computer. That's all. I mean, like instead of logging into Google Ads,
Now that the keywords what we entered in the description, that will be done by the AdWords editor. No.
AdWords editor is a tool or application or a software
Uh-huh.
using which you are simplifying your work, where you will be doing this all in bulk. That's all. Same thing. What you are doing here manually, you'll be doing them in the bulk.
Automatically or by
Bulk. Yeah. Business logo is there. Site links. You must have seen below the ad some text will show up. Yeah, these are all called site links. These are all called as site links. So something like that you can add. So you are running SEO training, right? You can show Google Ads training, content marketing training, right? Digital marketing training, social media training, right? Anything of your choice like that. Sorry, right? Google Ads training. So now you have to add unique URLs pertaining to those pages. You are not supposed to add same URL. So now I will add Google Ads course URL here. Okay. Here you see here, everybody.
Yes.
About us, about trainer, right? So I have added two. You can add multiple, 10, 20 also, right? So there is something called as callouts. What is this callouts?
Call to action.
Business information.
Not call to action. Call out statement is different. Call to action is
About
different.
business information.
Yes, basically, that day you told us that should be a selling point kind of thing.
Call out statement is basically any statement that's helping the public to make the decision, decide. They are confused
Huh.
whether they should go with Canada Digital or some other institute. Now they are confused whether they should purchase this phone 1 or phone 2, brand 1 or brand 2. The moment I say you don't have to charge your phone, right, that's probably the USP as well. Right here, you have to add such content. This plays a crucial role in improving the CTR of your business. So look at this. Uh, Look at this ad copy here. Your ad copy is shown here, correct? Right? So now this is the call out statement. 25 plus years of experience. This is call out. This is all call outs. Whatever you
Immediate
see.
offer.
Right? I'll show it to you how they appear here. See here, it's not showing as of now. Correct? The moment I add here, you'll start seeing that. So what I'll do, I click on plus callouts. If there are no callouts, you'll have to write them again. If there are already callouts, I'll simply select high impact learning. Previously, we had launched ads. We spent a lot of money here. Earn while you learn, real time projects, right? Direct client instructions, get an expert advice, learn 100 plus tools, get paid first and learn later, hands on experience, advanced programming, right? See, you see here to the right side, all that is shown up. High impact learning, real time projects, direct client instruction, learn 100 plus tools. Correct? So I'll simply apply it all now. As you update more and more details, the ad strength is improving. Right? So more asset types, promotions, prices, and promotions. Add promotions to this campaign. So now it shows up here 50% off. So occasion I will say New Year. Diwali, Eid, Eid al Fitr, end of season. Simply I'll put end of season. Currency INR, monetary discounts. You see here how it appears, right? You can add the URL and send them to the page. Let me see if it says item. Yeah, it's showing 5,000 off SEO course. Correct? Final URL again. I'll pick the SEO training page. See, your ad becomes more powerful, more promotional details on orders over promo code none. Simply, I'm showing it. You can type only when 3 people are registering, you will get 5,000 off, something like that. Start date, end date, I'm not adding anything, just say. Yeah. Right? So you can add multiple like that, not only one, apply. Prices, you can mention the price. Plus price. So ours comes under event training program. So multiple cards will show here below your ads. Like this. Best SEO course from rupees 35k, highest rated SEO, something like this. Add at least 3 price assets. Got it? You can show if 3 people are registering, 2 people are registering, it will be 30k. If 5 people are registering, just 28k, something like that. I'll cancel it for now. Yeah. Calls, you can add your phone number and see where it shows up. Yeah. Apply. Structured snippets, your Google ratings, all of those can also be shown. So this is not that one. Location will show that. So let's see how your ad appears with structured snippets. Here. See, your ad is looking so elaborate, so detailed, right? Right. This is what makes it quite interesting for people to click on it. Okay. Yeah. Prices, calls, structured snippets, uh, lead forms. This is not a lead form campaign. We want to send people to the website, so we'll not update any lead form. So Google has an option like on Facebook, how you can collect leads on the Facebook itself. Same way you can collect leads from Google page itself directly. Right? At this moment, I'll not show that. That's very simple, just adding one form. So account level locations, you can add your locations. One of them, whichever belongs to your account. Your account level locations. Why only few are linked? So in the assets, we have to first connect our locations, then we can pull one of them. So if you have any apps, you can connect your App Store or Play Store links also here. See Android app, look up your app, that URL from the Play Store, you add it and it shows somewhere here install app. Everyone, this editorial and policy review should take 1 to 2 business days, but it will take an half an hour or maximum 1 hour. That's all. Because why do they want to keep waiting if you're ready to spend? Right? Right, everybody? So just improve your return on investment by measuring conversions. They're asking us to set up a conversion. We'll discuss all of this in the upcoming classes. But today you all understood, right, how to launch a campaign?
Yes, sir. So this campaign will run for how many days?
Forever.
How much budget you are having?
Forever until you go and pause it. But then you had an option when to start and when to pause in the settings. So you have an option in the settings. You might forget also, right? Right? See, but then when you launch a campaign like this, you will be reviewing it on a daily basis. So here you see settings. While launching also it showed to us when to start and when to pause. We usually don't mention start and pause date also. If it is a event, let's say Narendra Modi is coming, Prime Minister of India is coming to Bangalore and some political party wants to run a campaign. Why will they continue it forever? If we are training institute, can do it all the complete months. After that date, they will stop, right? We can set that here. Start and end dates. Yeah. But thing is now we have launched it, but there is no money in this account. Only 0.03 rupee. So which year did we spend? Yeah, 19,000, 5,000, 21,000. December month alone 21,000. November, October, different months in 2022. In 2023, no spend. No spend in 2020. 2023 also there is a spend. January alone 23,000. February 6,000. March, April. Okay, so this account also we have spent money. Yeah. You all understood? We'll be launching different types of campaigns this way for the next 1 week at least. There are 5 to 6 different types of campaigns. We'll be launching all of them in the next 5 to 7 classes. Okay, so that you will be also very well versed with how to launch these kinds of campaigns. Clear, everybody?